Greetings once again to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video might be seen and shared. It's Saloon Driver again with another unboxing and review of another recent pickup of mine. A watch that I've had my eye on for a while, but never had the opportunity before now to pick one up at a very good price. This is, of course, you probably recognize this outer box from all, I'd say about half my other videos at this point. It is, yes, another Zelos. I have quite a few of Zelos now. I think 19 is the count at the moment for Zelos watches. I do have a serious like and even love for this watch brand. Pardon me. And they make really good stuff. And I continue to find watches that they make that I really like the design. I really applaud the designs, and this is another one. I've had my eye on this particular line for a while. It is one of their older lines. Dare I use the word vintage, because the company isn't that old, but it is one of their original lines, and I finally got the opportunity to pick one up at a very good price. It was basically a new in-box unworn box that somebody had, unworn watch that somebody had, and we negotiated a price that I could live with. I already took the watch out of its outer sleeve because, as you know, these outer sleeves tend to be very tight, and I didn't want to struggle with that on camera because, quite frankly, that's embarrassing. Typical Zelos wood box, which I think is as much of an appeal to the Zelos brand as the watches themselves. Is the packaging is just, to me, I love good packaging, and beautiful box with the Zelos watch roll, which, you know, just love these things too. They even smell good. And have the roll here. I'm going to move that a little further out of the way here. So I have the card, Zelos warranty card. It is serial number 15 out of, I forgot, it's on the back of the watch. I'll show you in a minute. And these two are empty, and I think they're empty. Yeah, they're empty. And we picked up a, ta-da, a Chroma, a Zelos Chroma. Now, not a lot of people remember this design or know about its design, but this is one of the earlier Zelos designs, one of their first ones. And it was designed as you can see, a simple three-hand dress watch, dressy style watch. It's maybe a little thick to be a dress watch, but it is, you know, no complications, no date, no chronograph, nothing like that. No rotating bezel. As you can see, the bezel there is no bezel. It's just the case. So a simple three-hand dress watch. And I think in the white / cream color face, they do have this in other face colors, but in this color face, I think this makes a very nice dress watch or business watch. And I really had liked the design for quite a while, and I got the opportunity to pick one up at as I said, a very good price for me, and decided to pull the trigger at this time. And it is number, it's right there, number 15 out of 100. Yeah, there you can see it says Zelos Chroma. The one thing I liked about this watch, it's certainly a first for my collection. I've never had one before like this, is no lug at all. I mean, the band plugs right into the watch case. There's no lug at all, so it makes the watch very easy to wear for a variety of wrist sizes, and obviously will have very little overhang, so even someone with a smaller wrist could wear this very easily. Nice stainless steel case. I love the machining on the side. I really do like that. And a little blue crown with a signed blue crown. I'm not really sure what material that is or what the purpose of that is, but interesting detail. Little custom work on the rotor. Not much, just a little bit, but I like the the band is a little stiff right now, but we'll break that in. But a nice thick band, genuine leather, very nice, very nice. Signed buckle, as you can see. Come on, focus. There it is. Very nice. Kind of a dressy watch. Could wear this out on to a nice evening event, not feel like you're wearing something silly. Let's see, got my notes. See, Zelos Chroma, as I said, obviously. It is a 42 millimeter watch, and obviously it's going to be 42 on the tip to tip. That's easy enough to figure out. 12 millimeter thick, so not too thin, but it'll slip under a cuff very nicely. 22 millimeter lug, 50-meter water resistance, so if you get caught in the rain it'll be fine, but wouldn't want to take this thing diving. It is a 316L stainless case with sapphire crystal front and back, and the movement in the back that you see there is a Miyota 82 1A4 Japanese automatic movement. It is hackable and hand winds. The only downside to this design that I see is getting that crown to open is difficult, especially with no fingernails, so I'm going to skip that part. But trust me, the watch does hack and hand wind. Very smooth on the hand winding. Put it on the wrist here. Being that the band is a bit stiff, this is going to be... There we go. Come on. Find a hole. Yeah, you can see that the clasp, the little, whatever it's called, there's probably a formal name for it. It has kind of an unusual bend in it, which really makes putting that thing in a hole a challenge, but you'll get used to it. And as you can see, it fits very nicely. I mean, there's obviously no overhang due to the design of the case with no lugs, so it'll fit my standard size, quote unquote standard size wrist. I think my wrist is a 7 1/4, something like that, and should fit other smaller wrists as well. But just such a nice, simple design, and you really find the simpler designs refreshing on occasion to wear and to have. Something you just look at it, you tell the time, looks elegant and not so busy. And I think everyone needs that. I mean, pilot watches and chronographs and all that, they have their place, and certainly I have plenty of those. And I love a complicated face as much as the next watch guy. But something about a nice, simple three-hander with very simple indicators a nice simple logo to say who it's from. Just very clean design, which I think this is. Is certainly appealing and a great addition to the collection. So I'm gonna leave it at that and go and enjoy my watches. If you liked the video, and I hope you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up and comments, questions, suggestions below. All I ask is that you keep it clean, keep the nastiness to yourself. I do answer any and all questions and comments. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd appreciate it if you click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon next to that so that when I make new content and upload it, you are alerted to that. I appreciate you stopping by and giving me a few minutes of your time to watch this video, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one I make.